Miro has a library of specialized sidekicks designed for different tasks we do every day. For instance, this product brief writer turns product ideas and research insights into clear and structured briefs. It's built with task-specific instructions and knowledge of relevant frameworks. It's a great starting point out of the box, but like all companies, we have our own artifacts, guidelines, and ways of doing things. So we'll customize the Sidekick to match how our team actually works. First, let's clone it. Now we'll review the instructions and adjust them as needed. Describe step by step how the team carries out the task. Click this button to ask AI to review and improve our instructions. Finally, in the knowledge source, we'll upload critical documents like strategy artifacts, methodologies, and examples as reference. This ensures that every output the Sidekick generates is informed by our company's context. Then save, and our new Sidekick is ready to be used. Share Sidekicks with colleagues or publish them to the Miroverse. And that's it. In Sidekicks, you have expert teammates helping you move faster every step of the way. Explore them and see what your team can build.